Hello students, my name is Rumit Modashia, the lecturer in Mechanical Department of Khyati School of Engineering. Today I am going to take your video lecture on estimating, costing and contracting, the subject of 5th semester Mechanical. Okay, so I just give you the brief introduction of this subject. There are total 7 units. Okay, we will see today in our first unit, that is introduction. Okay, all these subjects is related to estimating, costing and contracting. Okay, so some related to cost. Okay, so now we will move on our outline of presentation. Which type of topics we are going to see today. Okay, so first topic is introduction. Second one is what is estimating, costing and contracting. Then next is qualities of an estimator. Other one is difference between estimating and costing. Then next is various cost elements, or we can say types of cost. Okay, then next is classification of overheads. Okay, then next is determination of selling and catalog price. And last one our topic is depreciation and obsolescence. Okay, last two topics I have included some numericals. So we can also see numericals with the help of this theory. Okay, so we will move our first. Now what is estimating, costing and contracting? So we can say estimating is nothing but aim to calculate the probable cost before the manufacturing. Okay, so we can say it is one type of judgment process. Okay, forecasting process or judgment process. Aim to calculate the probable cost before the manufacturing. And costing means, what is meaning of costing? Costing is nothing but determination of actual cost of product after the manufacturing. So you can see the difference. Estimating means one kind of forecasting or judgment process before the manufacturing, and this is costing is after the manufacturing. So we can get exact value of our product or whatever we have to do. Okay, so whatever we are doing, we can directly gain this by the costing. Okay, and other one is a contracting. The contracting is a nothing but legal agreement between two parties. Okay, either in the form of house, in the form of firm, in the form of plant. Okay, in the form of partnership. We all know about the word contracting. What is the contracting? We all know. Okay, so moving to the next, we can see here one slide. What are the qualities of an estimator? Okay, estimator, what are the qualities, best quality to become an estimator? This question will be asked to in your exam in about 2 to 3 marks. Okay, so he should be able to read and understand drawings and blueprints. Okay, then next is estimator should be familiar of different production machines, processes and operations. We can say, I mean he should know all these things. What are the machines, processes and operations? Okay, estimators should be knowing about proper tools, jigs, fixtures and gauges. Okay, then he should also possess a good knowledge about cutting speed, feed, depth of cut. Okay, he should also good knowledge about market price of raw materials. Then next is he should also know about the wage rate of workers. What are the current salaries of the workers? He should know. Okay, then he should be technically sound. That means technically qualified person. Okay, so here the qualities of an estimator. Now next is what is the difference between estimating and costing. So we have seen our first slide in estimating and costing definition. We have seen estimating can be calculate probable cost. Okay, probable cost means one type of forecasting, judgment cost before the manufacturing, and costing can be calculate actual cost of product. Then estimating is a one type of tricky method. Okay, one type of calculating method. So estimator should be an engineer, and costing means one type of counting process. So the person who is going to be defined the costing should be accountants. Okay. Then estimating tells about profit before the manufacturing. We have already discussed about this. And costing tells about the profit after the actual manufacturing. Okay, before and after. And estimating is nothing, fourth point is, but expected or probable cost. Okay, and costing is real or exact, or we can say actual cost. Okay, so this is main difference between estimating and costing. Okay, so next we are going to see our various types of cost elements. Which type of costs are there in our first unit? So first one is material cost, second one is labor cost, third one is overhead or other expenses. To any development of firm or plant, we are required material, labors or other expenses. Okay, so we will see this material cost, labor cost and overhead in our next online lecture in detail. Okay, thank you.